Alright, today we're going to be working on my Honda S300. Alright, we're doing boost by gear install. Obviously, take the screws off. All the screws are right there. You have the Honda and the whole ECU board. Those are all the places where you have to put all the boost by gear stuff. And then located right here, in this area right here, is where we're going to be working. So, you're going to want to undo the other side as well. To desolder. This is part 1 of the video. I'll post part 2 as soon as I'm done.